I'm Prasu if you're new to my channel. So today I'm staying at home and I'm gonna make pizza with my sisters, which is really exciting and fun because it's already 1:12 and I just woke up, yes, and now I'm gonna make I need to have my breakfast first because I'm hungry AF. Okay people, let's get the day started. Let me, darling, you. Let me, I know you do. 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 Let me, darling, you. Okay guys, so right now I'm having my breakfast. This is my paratha which my mom made, which is really tasty, and my ice mocha. Actually, I learned this from YouTube recently, and oh my god, it's just so good.
Namaskar. COVID-19 unlock की प्रक्रिया अब
Guys, can you see this? My under eyes. Do you know what's this called? It's called lack of sleep. You know, lack of sleep. So I look like this. Okay guys, so they're taking a very long time to arrive. I don't know. So I'm just gonna show you guys what do I have right now. So I have my pizza base. I got these from Monjini's. And then I have the pasta and pizza sauce. Another one I have is pizza seasoning and chili flakes. So I guess, I don't know, I think we need more ingredients, and then yeah. Okay guys, my sister is here. Hi. She's washing it. Darling, so right now I'm chopping onions. And Yanjun is washing the chicken. Darling, darling, I'm done chopping up the caption on. And now I'm mixing the masalas together with the chicken. Oh my god! Put this here. Another one is done. Oh my god, it smells so good. No.